Hello there friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Darci. Today I'm going to be decluttering, cleaning, organizing, and refreshing our outdoor space here in the backyard. This is part of a collaboration with several other YouTubers hosted by Penny from Penny's Place. I'm going to go more in detail in the collab in just a few more minutes, but let's get started on this project. Come with me. This is the barbecue area that I'm going to be cleaning today, and you'll see the process step by step. Now I'm going to be cleaning this refrigerator and these two drawers as well. The refrigerator is now clean. I'm going to go ahead and pack some water and some drinks in, and the drawers are clean as well. So I'll just do the basic countertop, pack some just basic items here for decor. Other than that, we're all done in this area. These are the drinks I'm going to be putting into the refrigerator. There is coconut water and regular bottled water. So now the drinks are in the refrigerator. Everything is clean and organized. This collab is hosted by the Sophisticated Ladies Club, Our host for the month of May is Penny from Penny's Place. Her co-hosts are Michelle from My Everyday Wife Life, Ali from Really Good Living, and my very good friend Thelma from Simple Southern Reflections. Thanks to Penny for organizing this collab. Thanks also to the co-hosts, which I'll have all the names listed in the description box below. I'll encourage everyone to go over, see the playlists that I have in the description box below. Also that Penny and everyone else will have in their description box. Watch the various videos, subscribe to the channels that you like, and of course I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel as well. That is if you have not already done so. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you all next week in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.